What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl D. If you're new here, make sure you hit that like, comment, subscribe to my channel, because if not, what are you doing? But anyways, today's video is going to be a maintenance vlog. I took some time off my regular job, you guys, because a girl has been going around just too rough. My hair ain't did, nails all messed up, my toes need to be done. So I took some time off my regular job to focus on me today, because I have to, prepare myself. I have to be, stay up to par. So if you're interested in today's video, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and let's get into the video. Okay, so as you guys just seen, I went to the gas station. I was like, because a girl got so much to do, let me go ahead and gas up my tank, because I found some cheap gas, which I know about this gas station, but I don't come across the freeway to get it because it's one closer by my house. But I was like, yeah, let me get that gas. And then also, disclaimer, you guys, if y'all hear me a shortness of breath, that's because I got this faja on. I did not have my faja on for about a week because I was on Mother Nature. So I do not like to be having my faja on, with that. So if y'all hear me shortness of breath, it's because of that. So do not judge me. If you have surgery one day, you will understand. Or if you have had surgery, you will understand. So I'm at Starbucks right now, about to get a tall iced coffee. And then we're about to go get my toes done. Because I was thinking, like, how do I want to do the day? Like, what makes sense? My daughter gets out of school at 11:25, I believe. So I was like, let me get my toes done. I already got my hair with me in my wig cap because my appointment is at 12:45. So I was like, get my toes did, depending on what time that ends. I think my daughter, I don't know exactly what time she got to school, but I'm going to definitely, go ahead and while I'm out. And then I need to go get a waist trainer today. And the lady that I wear my waist trainer, if you've seen my previous vlogs, I've been having that waist trainer for like a year and a half, and they're so good. It's the kind that doesn't roll up, and she told me it's $50, so I need to go get that. And then I have a nail appointment today later on, and so yeah, I will do like my OOTD for today. Basically, I got a hat on right now because my daughter, she did braid my hair, and I have this flannel I got from Fashion Nova, and these jeans I got from Fashion Nova, and I got my all black Gucci slides. So something simple. I didn't really do too much because I know that I'm going to be running around. So yeah, girl is kind of busy today, and I was thinking to myself, like, I need to be doing this more, taking more time off, because I got so much time built up. But I just want to make sure when I take off time, like, I actually got stuff to do. So let's get this coffee, and I'm going to be going to the nail shop. Okay, y'all, so as you just seen, I got my pedicure done. I pretty much got white. I didn't do gel because I'm the type of person, I like to change my nail polish all the time, and gel sometimes it be too hard to get off, and I don't, not right now. But I'm always changing my nail color pretty much. It's about to be summertime, so I was like, I might as well just get polished. But is it me, or you guys, like, when y'all get your pedicure, do y'all like y'all water hot, or do you like it medium? I like my water to be scalding hot, like literally. I like it to be hot. I like for them to get into the crease on the side of your toenail, get all that gunk out. I love it. At first when I got here, because this nail shop, it was like 3 people ahead of me to get a pedicure. So I was just like, dang, like, this is gonna mess up my time frame. But luckily all the workers came on in, and the person I wanted to do my toes, he did them, and so it went just as planned. And at first I was just like, dang, like, I don't feel like going to another nail shop, because I don't know about y'all, but to me, like, it's nothing wrong with the nice classy ones, but literally, like, the ones that's like everybody be going to, like, to me, they do stuff better. They be having all like the newest trends, because if you go to some nice ones, they don't be They know what they be doing, but sometimes it be a mess. And trust me, I've been to some like this. So I was just like, okay. And my nail appointment got pushed up an hour early, so I'm happy about that. So far everything going good. Like, I was just like, what else I could do between time? So I'm letting my toes dry right now because I didn't sit under the light. So I'm gonna let my toes dry while I'm in the car. The car is kind of hot because the sun is out, but it's still cool at the same time. But I'm gonna let them dry because I don't need to be switching gears and my toes get messed up. So next stop probably be me getting my hair done because my daughter finna get out of school. I already called the school. They told me what time she gets out. So everything just lining up, you guys. So okay, y'all, so I got my hair done. I really couldn't record because she was doing my hair and I didn't really want to have a camera in nobody's face. But yes, y'all, this wig it's wigging. It's doing it. That's my hat. Yes, girl, we was in there talking about all this stuff that's going on, y'all. Speaking of that, let me take the time. It's not even about my hair and all this and that, but y'all, oh my God, y'all, pray for Texas. Pray for Texas. That one of the teachers who died, her husband had a heart attack and he died, and they got 4 kids. Y'all pray for Texas because Texas need all the love and support and thoughts right now because it, like, I'm in Texas and this shit right here is so unsafe. And then a school yesterday, a kid brought a BB gun to school, and then a school in Dallas County, a boy was on the school property, and his ass had a fucking gun too. So y'all, we need all the support and thoughts because this right here is like, I'm glad that we have the state where if we want to protect ourselves, but to put stuff in kids' hands and let them purchase guns and automatics and stuff like that at an early age, it's sending the wrong message. It really is. So yeah, so yeah, so right now I'm about to go to the house, pick up my son, and go take him get his haircut. But yes, y'all, like, we is going through it here. And like, I picked up my daughter from school today. If y'all don't know, I do have 3 kids. My oldest is 16. She's in high school. She'll be in 11th grade. Period. My daughter, I was at her school, and when I tell you police was everywhere, like, police, they was at where the bus drop off, across the street. Like, you know, it's sad that you have to put that type of protection around your kids when you think your kids are being protected, going to school and going to the grocery store or kid activities, but you're not. Like, I told my daughter, she just called me, she's like, can we go to the park? And I'm like, who y'all going to the park with? She was like, I could take, you know, my brother. No, you know, it's just, it's sad. But I'm about to go ahead, go home, and I'm about to, yeah. And I'm gonna give y'all a full look at my hair too. Don't, you know, I'm just trying to get on that side of town right now, and I'm gonna give y'all a full look at my hair. So yeah, and I got my wig to the side. It really supposed to go down the middle, but this thing right here is irritating it. And she told me, like, it's nothing she could do about it because I'll be cutting the band. But I wanted a side part. But yeah, so I'm gonna give y'all a 360 of my hair when I get home. Okay, y'all, so it's much later. So I tried to take my son to get his haircut, but his barber, he was tripping or whatever. So I was like, so I picked my little son up, took him home, and I went and stopped and got me something to eat. I got some Taco Cabana, calling myself trying to get this bowl that I seen Gina Janine had, but it wasn't hidden. So I kind of waste money on food today, but it's all right. So right now I'm in a parking lot about to wait till my appointment. Got a couple more minutes to go get my nails did. But yeah, y'all, in the meantime, don't y'all forget to hit that like, comment, subscribe, you guys. Follow me on my Instagram at MissQueen_D. So yeah, because we're trying to build this community right now, and we're trying to get these views up and numbers. I mean, everything is not going to cost anything to you, and I would greatly appreciate it, because like, I was watching Chelsea J, and I did not know she's from Mississippi, and I was watching her videos. I'm the type of person, I like to comment, you know, because it helps with the algorithm. And when I was watching her video, like everything she was saying, y'all, like I can relate. To try to build something, be consistent, and even though everybody's doing the same thing, you're trying to do it in your way. It's so hard because you're trying not to worry about numbers. You're trying not to worry about did I do this right? Did I say this? It's a lot, you know. And for me, I'm a mom of 3, and I remember when I was younger, I never did have like what I want to be when I grow up. I never had that because I was a teen mom at the age of 16, but I knew that I had imperfections in my face and I wanted to be a makeup artist. But around that time, and like the late 2008, 2010, like we were told to like go to school, graduate, go to college, but it was nothing I had a passion about. And y'all, I just want y'all to know I'm so passionate about this because I do like to travel. I like beauty products, I like makeup, I like hair. And if I would have known that this was a lane a long time ago, oh my god, like I would have been so far ahead. But I'm just being patient, being consistent, and you know, just following the path and trying something that's different. I don't have like the blueprint of this, but I'm trying to see what works for me. So any type of support, any like, comment, anything, encouragement, you guys drop that below because I would greatly appreciate it. Like I want to be true to myself and authentic, and I want to build something for myself, you know. I do. I remember when the Kardashians started and the lane that they came in, you know, they just had reality TV, then they start, you know, making those connections. So if y'all in the Dallas area, an influencer, anything, I would love to meet up with anybody to like talk and just, I want influencer friends. I want to be around those girls that's, you know, who's making a way for themselves or already established like I do. I want to see myself somewhere different in 2 years. Like I know the type of person I am. I want to be able to be a full-time mom, but be on my schedule and, you know, make my own income. So this really does mean a lot to me, guys. So I don't want to get all emotional or anything like that, but it, you know, it's very discouraging at times because you're trying to keep your mind and you're worried about stuff that just you don't need to worry about. Just let it take its course and be patient. Eventually it's gonna work. But yeah. Oh, and let me give y'all an update on this wig. So this wig came from AliExpress. So I'm gonna say this, the wig is doing what it needs to do, but I need to get, instead of 180% density, I'm definitely gonna be getting like 200, 250 or whatever, 240, whatever, because as me rubbing my hair, I can kind of feel the braid. But she did sew in like a row back there because I was so concerned about like, is it gonna come up or whatever. So yeah, so what I'm gonna probably do is go ahead and order another wig, and probably in 2 weeks order another wig, a frontal, a good quality one, so that way I can have that. And this will be like my to the side wig or whatever like that. So, and I'm trying not to really shop. If y'all don't know, Skims had they biannual sale yesterday and today. I don't know when it's gonna end, but I always go, like, that's when I buy my Skims, or when they're on sale. And I didn't really see nothing, and then when I realized that they put the sale on yesterday like at 9 and I didn't go to the website at 11, I was like, I think that was my sign to not purchase nothing. So I'm kind of like trying to be not spending money or whatever, because I don't need to. I really don't. But y'all drop y'all comments below, let me know if y'all like this maintenance vlog, because I'm really trying to give different content, and I do have a video I need to record and add the sponsorship in there. But every month, starting next month, I need to go ahead and get my list of companies I want to reach out to, because every month I want to reach out to a different company, at least to 5 to 8 different companies. But as y'all can see, I'm kind of all over the place. I'm ranting. So when we get in here and start getting my nails done, I'm gonna pick you guys back up. Okay, y'all, so I'm done. Is it me? But when you get your hair, your nails did, your toes, like when you know, like, damn, like when I'm put together, like I look fucking good, y'all. I love my nails. They're so fucking cute. And like I need to get back to that. I used to be the most like makeup everyday type of girl, but things have changed because I have kids. But I need to start back, like I try to be realistic, because I try to not be like every time I take down my hair, like I have to like get my hair did the same day. I don't try to be like that, but I'm realizing like I'm missing that. Like that's me, my personality, to like being cute. I'm not the type that I have to go to a club, but like I'll be cute, like getting dressed up and getting my hair and nails did, going to a bar, like somewhere, you know, like that. But yeah, so I feel real good about myself right now. And I love my nails because they're so different. I mean, I seen the post on Instagram. Y'all, I'm sorry if the camera's like, because I'm driving. But I seen it on Instagram, and my nail tech, I always send him like different types of nails because I don't know what I might get. And so I was talking to him about that. I'm like, hey, I hope I'm not bothering you, because like I don't know what I might get. And like I seen this today, this type of style for my nails today, and so I was like, no, I'm getting that. And then when it gets more summertime, then I'm going to like get something different. But this sun is in my face, so I know it's kind of blinding y'all. But I'm headed home right now, and we'll see. I want to really start editing this video, and I want to get this video on up for you guys. So yeah, so when I get home, I'll pick you guys back up. Hey y'all, so I made it home. Girl, I had to get out that fire hot because that fire hot was like, whew. And I had it on. Normally when I put my fire hot on, after I take my shower at nighttime, I put it on, and I don't take it off till pretty much almost 23 hours later. So I'm taking it off right before I take a shower. So when I get done with this, I'm about to take a shower. But that's nor here nor there. But yeah, I wanted to close out the video, you guys. I hope this video has been entertaining. I hope you guys like this style of content, me getting my hair did. When y'all see my regular videos, I do not look like that all the time. I just need to make more time for me. So if you're interested in seeing some other videos, make sure you go on my channel to go check out some of my other videos. I got some tummy tuck vlogs, some surgery vlogs, some random vlogs and stuff like that. And go check out my old previous vlogmas videos. Make sure you guys go follow me on my Instagram at MissQueen_D. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in another video. It's gonna be soon too. Another video. Bye.